Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be explaining the T-Mobile satellite service, including how the coverage works, the pricing and the real-world uses of this technology in 2026. So the T-Mobile satellite service, also known as T-Satellite, is a technology that allows your smartphone to connect directly to the satellites in space when there is no normal cellular signal. These satellites basically act like cell towers in the space, helping your phone stay connected in the remote areas. The T-Mobile's satellite service currently covers most of the outdoor areas across the United States, including the continental US, Hawaii, Puerto Rico, and parts of Alaska. Because satellites orbit the Earth, your phone may briefly switch between the satellites while sending the messages. However, the service works best when you have a clear view of the sky, so dense forests, buildings, or the mountains can sometimes slow down the connection. Now, if we talk about the pricing, so the pricing depends on the T-Mobile plan. Some premium plans include satellite service at no extra cost. Other can usually add it as optional feature for around $10 to $15 per month per line. Now, right now, satellite connection is mainly designed for the essential communication rather than the full high-speed internet. For example, with the help of it, you can typically send and receive the text messages, share your location, send the emergency messages like texting 911, and you can even use a few satellite optimization apps. Newer updates are generally expanding and the service to include the features like picture managing and limiting app connectivity. So this service is especially useful or helpful in the situations where normal cellular coverage fails. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.